Hello friends, நாம இப்போ worksheet 23 environmental science பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. In nature, carbon is found in the elemental form as diamond and graphite. During burning of fossil fuels and volcanic eruptions, gas is emitted to the atmosphere. Mainly carbon dioxide gas is emitted. Statement A, bat is a warm-blooded animal. Statement B, body temperature of bats is reduced during hibernation. Correct option is statement A and B are correct. Bats avoid flight during daytime because they have black membranous wings that absorb excessive heat during the day. Which of the following is a gaseous cycle? Nitrogen cycle. Every year, World Water Day WWD is celebrated on 22nd March. Choose the wrong pair. Solid metal carbon. Carbon is a solid non-metal. How do bats support green revolution? Help to pollinate plants. In the blanks, the putrefying bacteria and fungi decompose the animal and plant proteins into ammonium compounds. Earth become warmer by the increase of carbon dioxide and leads to greenhouse effect and global warming. Infiltration is an important process in water cycle that increases the groundwater level. When bats hang upside down during rest, tendons of hind limbs provide a tight. The two important biological compounds, proteins and nucleic acids, contain both nitrogen and carbon as the constituents. Earthworms are photophobic in nature. Photophobia means fear of light. Write true or false. If false, give reason. Plants and animals utilize atmospheric nitrogen directly. The given statement is false because plants and animals not utilize atmospheric nitrogen directly. Sublimation is a reverse process of vaporization. The statement is false because condensation is the reverse process of vaporization. Biogeochemical cycle is a unidirectional process. This statement is also false because biogeochemical cycle is a cyclic process. Echolocation is a low frequency system used by bats to identify its prey. The given statement is false because echolocation is a high frequency system used by bats to identify its prey. World Environmental Day is celebrated on April 22nd every year. The given statement is false because World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th every year. The following: nitrogen cycle is a gaseous cycle. Carbon dioxide is released during greenhouse effect. Fossil fuel is nothing but a carbon dioxide. Decomposers are nothing but bacteria and fungi. Nitrogen assimilation takes place both in plants and animals. List down any three human activity that would affect biogeochemical cycle. Urbanization, dumping of plastic waste on land and into water, deforestation. Why are bats active during night? Nocturnality. Because they require a lot of energy during daytime to fly. Their black wing membrane, patagium, may cause excessive heat absorption during the day. This may lead to dehydration during daytime. So, bats are active during night time. What is setae? Bristles called setae are located on each segment of earthworm's body, which helps to move through the soil and provide anchor in the burrows. How does nitrogen get assimilated in organisms through nitrogen cycle? Nitrogen assimilation. Plants absorb nitrate ions and use them for making organic matter like proteins and nucleic acids. Short answer: charcoal and graphite are elemental form of A. Combined form of A is B. B is used by the plants to prepare C. plants and animals release B into atmosphere through the process D. Name the element A, carbon. Name the combined form of A, it is nothing but carbon dioxide. What does C in the above content refer to? Food or starch. Name the process E, photosynthesis. Identify the biogeochemical cycle involved here, carbon cycle. Ritik's father purchased a deforested land in the outside of the city for constructing a building. Later, he changed his mind to reforest that land. What changes occur in the water cycle after afforestation? Increase the possibility of rainfall, induce more precipitation, increases groundwater level. Why should we save bats from extinction? Insect population will bloom, pollinating flowers will be affected. What is Jal Shakti Abhiyan and its importance? Under the scheme, government focuses on rainwater harvesting and water conservation measures. Who initiated it? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Is there any activity initiated in your school as a part of Jal Shakti Abhiyan? Yes, public rallies and debates are the activities conducted as a part of Jal Shakti Abhiyan. Long answer. If you are elected as the member of Legislative Assembly and you were appointed as one of the cabinet ministers allocated with portfolio of water conservation, prepare a checklist to ensure water conservation in your state. Prepare checklist like this. These are examples. What initiatives will you take to conserve water? Few initiatives are given here. Using your imagination skills, draw a water cycle which involves the following stages in your diagram: evaporation, sublimation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, runoff, snow melt runoff, deposition, groundwater flow, and plant uptake. Draw a water cycle like this. Pranis wants to learn about nitrogen cycle. Help him in identifying the microorganisms involved in circling their names. Mention the role played by them in the cycle. Pseudomonas, putrefying bacteria, azotobacter and nostoc. Pseudomonas, denitrifying bacteria, nostoc, nitrogen fixation, putrefying bacteria, ammonification, azotobacter, nitrogen fixation. Thank you my dear friends for watching and supporting my channel. இந்த வீடியோ பற்றிய கமெண்ட்ஸை கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஆல்வேஸ் பி பாசிட்டிவ் இன் யோர் லைஃப். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறீங்க அப்படின்னா இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.